Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. To change your volume, you need to hold at your left or right earbud. If you want to increase it, you need to hold it on your right earbud. If you want to lower it, you need to hold it at your left earbud. And right here we have this circle. This actually attach controls. So let me play some song, and now I hold on it. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower it, you need to hold, as I said, at your left earbud, and as you can see, it also worked. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.